This is Barry Zalma, Zalma on Insurance for YouTube. I am an attorney who has retired from the practice of law and now spend my time acting as an insurance claims consultant, an insurance claims expert, witness, and an author and producer of these videos. Today I'd like to talk about a proposal to create claims professionals to avoid claims of breach of contract, bad faith, punitive damages, unresolved losses, and to make a profit. Insurers must maintain a claims staff dedicated to excellence in claims handling. That means they recognize that they are obligated to assist the policyholder and the insurer to fulfill all the promises made by the insurer in the wording of the policy. An insurer can create a claims staff dedicated to excellence in claims handling by at least hiring insurance claims professionals. If claims professionals are not available to hire away from other insurers, the insurer must be able to train all members of the existing claims staff to be insurance claims professional. Training each member of the claims staff annually on the local Fair Claims Settlement Practices regulations, supervising each claims handler closely to confirm all claims are handled professionally and in good faith, explaining to each member of the claims staff the meaning of the covenant of good faith and fair dealing, making clear to each member of the claims staff that it is the position of the insurer that all insureds and claimants are to be treated fairly and in good faith, demanding excellence in claims handling from the claims staff, and being ready to dismiss any claims handler who fails to treat every insured and every claimant with good faith and fair dealing. If any experienced claims professionals exist on the insurer's staff, the insurer must cherish and nurture them and use their experience and professionalism to train new claims people. If none are available, the insurer has no option but to train its own people from scratch, using available materials and professionals who have, for a reasonable fee, the ability to properly and effectively train claims personnel. When the claims staff is made up of claims people who treat all insureds and claimants with good faith and fair dealing, and provide excellence in claims handling, litigation between the insurer and its insurers will be reduced exponentially. To keep the professional claims staff operating efficiently and in good faith, the claims people must be honored with increases in earnings and in perquisites. Conversely, those who do not treat all insureds and claimants with good faith and fair dealing should be counseled and given detailed training. If they continue with less than professional conduct, they must be fired, disposed of, immediately taken away from the customers, clients, insureds, and claimants to be dealt with by the insurance policies issued by the insurer. The insurer must make clear to all employees that it is committed to immediately eliminating staff members who do not provide excellence in claims handling, and must be ready to publicly and quickly remove those who do not provide such excellence. An excellence in claims handling program can include a series of lectures supported by text materials, like the program I created for experfy.com and the program I created for illumio.com, as well as providing them with videos like this one. It must be supplemented, however, by meetings between supervisors and claims staff on a regular basis to reinforce the information learned in the lectures. To guarantee that the training and requirement for excellence in claims handling is effective, the insurer must also institute a regular program of auditing claims files to establish compliance with the requirement to deal fairly and in good faith with the insured. The insurer's management must support the training and repeat it regularly. Management should be closely involved in all claims and required to audit claims files to determine that the training has taken and is being applied to each claim. In fact, it would not be unusual and might be quite helpful for supervisors to at least once a month ride along with the claims staff to make sure, just as an observer, that each claim is being dealt with good faith and fair dealing. There is no quick and easy solution to the need for excellence in claims handling. The training takes time. Learning takes longer. If the insurer does not have the ability to train its staff, it should use outside vendors who can do so using available sources like this publication, books produced by me and available for sale on Amazon.com, training from professional organizations and continuing education providers. The Excellence in Claims Handling program requires thorough training, providing each member of the claims staff with a minimum of the following educational programs. 1. How to read and understand the contract of insurance that is the basis of every adjustment, including but not limited to A. the formation of the insurance policy, B. the rules of interpretation applied by the courts, C. applying the facts learned in a claims investigation to the wording of the policy, 2. basic tort law, including negligence, strict liability in tort, and intentional torts, 3. basic contract law, including the insurance contract, the commercial or residential lease agreement, the bill of lading, non-waiver agreements, proofs of loss, releases, and other related contracts. 4. The duties and obligation of the insured in a personal injury claim. 5. The duties and obligations of the insurer in dealing with a personal injury claim against an insured or policyholder. 6. The duties and obligations of the insured in a first-party property claim. 7. The duties and obligations of the insurer in a first-party property claim. 8. The Fair Claims Practices Act and the regulations that enforce it in the state where the claims staff works. 9. The thorough investigation, including A. basic investigation of an auto accident claim, B. investigation of a construction defect claim, C. investigation of a non-auto negligence claim, D. investigation of a strict liability claim, E. investigation of the first-party property claim, F. the recorded statement of the first-party property claimant or insured, G. the recorded statement or interview of a third-party claimant, H. the recorded statement of the insured or policyholder, I. the red flags of fraud, J, the SIU, or Special Investigation Unit, and the obligation of the claims representative when fraud is suspected. 10, claims report writing. 11, the evaluation and settlement of the personal injury claim. 12, how to retain counsel to aid when a coverage issue is detected, and how to control coverage counsel and how to instruct coverage counsel on the issues to be resolved. 13, dealing with a plaintiff's lawyer. 14, dealing with a personal injury defense counsel. 15, the evaluation and settlement of the property damage claim. 16, the appraisal process. 17, arbitration and mediation and the claims representative. These are just a few of the things needed. In addition, every person in the claims staff must be required to undergo continuing education. State insurance departments now across the country are attempting to micromanage the business of insurance with various statutes and regulations. Two such requirements include failure to comply with the continuing education requirements can be used as evidence of an insurer's failure to require its employees to comply with the covenant of good faith and fair dealing. Insurers also should not only ensure that their training programs conform to those required by the relevant states, but also that the claims staff consistently apply excellence in claims handling training in compliance with the requirements of the Fair Claims Settlement Practices Regulations and SIU regulation. This video was adapted from my book, Zalma on Insurance Claims, Part 103, Second Edition, which is available from Amazon.com as both a Kindle book or a paperback, and is also available from the Insurance Claims Library link at Zalma.com. Thank you for your attention, and I hope if this video has been of any assistance to you, you will consider subscribing to the YouTube video.